Welcome back to the channel. I'm Paul from Traveling with Lizi and Paul, and in this video we're in Esperance and we start off in the Cape Le Grand National Park. So join us in this video to climb Frenchman Peak and see the magnificent views there. Then we go on to Lucky Bay where we have a swim and also admire lovely views, as well as looking at the other beaches in the Cape Le Grand National Park. So if you're not already subscribed, do please subscribe and hit that like button if you're enjoying our videos. Let's get going. We're currently at the Pink Lake Caravan Park in Esperance. And I must say, this is one of the best equipped caravan parks we've seen for sites and so on. Have a look at this. You get artificial grass, and so the caravan and your frontal area goes on that, and then a nicely laid out electricity and water area, which is really super. And wait till you see the facility. And here are the amenities. And what you get is you get not just separate shower, toilet and so on, but you get shower, toilet and wash basin all together. How good is that? And they got multiple ones, front loading washing machine, dryer, really well equipped. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're at Frenchman's Peak today, and we're doing it today because it's probably the best day of the week, although it's overcast quite heavily. So we're going to see how we go. Hopefully we can have fun. That's the main thing. Yep. And maybe we'll get some footage as well.
Good luck.
So you go, people everywhere, even somebody very courageous coming up with a caravan. I wouldn't do that. There's no way you can turn around just now. Look at that. Very dense. So hopefully it's not too crowded. Well, looks like it starts off easy enough. Yes, it is getting steep. And I don't know if the GoPro picks up on all the people ahead of us, but it's very busy. But then they should all be down by the time we get up. Well, here's the cave at the top. I think there's a little bit further to go potentially. So I think there's a see-through bit of the rock. So we'll go and have a look at that. But it's definitely worth the effort. I think we still need to go a little bit further, but we're nearly there.
50 meters?
Something like that.
Caught behind Venetian blinds, out of reach for the city lights. This ain't where I belong. Hey, look at me, man, what I've become. I've been running east, looking for a sunset, digging deep since '99. What I thought was gone was sitting in my pocket in plain sight all along. I think it's time for me to go, burn all bridges. All I know, I got lost along the way, fell between the foam.
We made it up to the top. It's actually quite a walk, huh? It's almost 2 kilometers once you do all the little visits of the caves and so on as you go along. But the view is stunning. It'd be obviously better if it was no clouds, but hey, we're making the best of it.
Yeah. And now fun on the way down.
Yeah, fun on the way down. That must be the whitest sand I've ever seen.
Yeah.
Even whiter than Jervis Bay. Oh wow. Oh boy, look at that. Very impressive. We're nearly there. Lucky Bay campground. Oh, it's as hard as look at this.
My goodness. Oh, there's a few people.
Look how lovely it is.
Smell. How cool is that, huh?
Yeah, isn't it? Well, there's lots of people on the beach and it's so bright I can barely open my eyes, so I'm gonna go for a quick swim and then have lunch. We go then? Huh?
It's refreshing.
It is, yeah. It's also... Okay, shall we dive?
Yes.
1, 2...
Wait for it. That's the way. Right. See, at least you wait.
Well, don't know if that was very elegant, but isn't it? It's spectacular, isn't it? That water is just so clear. Here we go. This is Thistle Cove, so we're just doing a quick stop to have a look, but let's see what it looks like with the drone in the air. Whistling rock. You can hear the ocean in it because of the shape. I guess that's the thing. There's no further information available right here. So this is Hellfire Bay. We think Thistle Bay is better though. Thistle Cove. Thistle Cove.
Hey, that is beautiful.
Pretty good. Well, it's nearly 3 o'clock. We've done heaps of things today. What did you think of it?
I thought it was lovely. We ticked all the boxes. We had the mountains, we had the sun, we had the beach, we had the lunch. And I think this area ticks a lot of boxes because you get the mountains and the ocean. So it's the best of both worlds, isn't it?
Yeah. I think my favourite thing there was we climbed Frenchman Peak and then we went to Lucky Bay on the beach for a swim and lunch, and that was
how beautiful is that beach. I mean, wow, it is just incredible.
Yeah, and we've just been really lucky with the weather. The weather held today. We'll see what happens for the rest of the week. At least we made the best of today. Good morning. This is what working or editing looks like when you got a sore back. So at least I've got my adjustable desk, so to say, because obviously the table's too low for me just now. So hopefully the back recovers quickly. Good morning.
Good morning.
We're on Twilight Beach here. We're just lucky there's a little bit of sunshine, so it's been quite overcast last couple of days.
Yeah, well, it gives us time to catch up on other things.
Yeah, and I'll see if I can get a drone up to catch the beauty of this place. This is Observatory Point. It was named by a Frenchman called D'Entrecasteaux, and he was in the area in December 1792. Cape Le Grand Beach. So it's big, Cape Le Grand Beach, yeah, and it goes all the way to the National Park. So we're checking out the Lucky Bay Brewery. Lucky Bay Brewery. Guess who's driving?
We didn't even plan this.
So we'll see how it goes. 4 of their beers, and pizzas afterwards.
So which one?
So why do you taste the porter? That's like coffee. I guess it's not for her. So the half-time judgment is the pale ale was not the type of pale ale I'm used to. The lager was sort of okay. The IPA is reasonable, and a quick test on the porter, we're talking reasonable as well. Summary of the brewery: the beer is so-so. The pizzas were better. And it's really the venue that's fantastic. It's a great venue, and apparently they have live music. So I presume they'll have we know they'll have live music on Friday, but I don't know if we'll be going for that, will we?
Well, maybe we'll fancy a pizza by then. It might be nice to have a little bit of a
In
different
600 metres,
atmosphere as
turn
well.
left onto Fisheries Road.
We'll swing by and then decide.
And well, that was about it for the nice weather. After that, we did things around town. So we visited the museum, which is a traditional rural town museum. It does have the particular topic of Skylab, since parts of Skylab were found around Esperance. We also then took a long walk along the waterfront, which is a nice walk, which has got various pieces of artwork to look at and really nice gardens. We went as far as the Tanker Jetty, which is a landmark in Esperance, and had a look at that as well. Unfortunately, I didn't get the drone up because the weather just was not conducive to flying. We also enjoyed a historic district in Esperance where we can see old houses which were used in the past. But that basically concluded our visit in Esperance, and now we're on to Hayden to look at Wave Rock and other things. That's it for the Esperance video. We spent 5-6 days here. At least we had one really good day, and that's the main subject of this video, of course. So hope to see you in the next one, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoy our content and you'd like to stay in touch. We hope you enjoyed the episode. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment, and see you in the next one.